you solve under a minute for the value of x in 5 power x minus 2 is equals to 20? For us to solve this, we'll check this is the base and this is the exponent, and this is just a number. 5 and 20 cannot be expressed in the same base. So what we do here is that we'll take the logs of both sides. So we'll have it that log of 5 power x minus 2 is equals to the log of 20. Okay? Remember from the rule of logarithm that whenever we can actually multiply the power of the number in the log. So all we have to do is just to multiply x minus 2 to the log. So we have it that x minus 2 into log 5 is equals to log 20. Okay? If we have this now, we are going to open the bracket by multiplying log 5 to the two terms in the box. So you have it that log 5 times x will give you x log 5, and minus log 5 times minus 2 will give you 2 log 5, and that's equals to log 20. Okay? So if you have this now, from the rule of exponent, we can actually raise the number, the log, by 2. So we have it that x log 5 minus log 5 squared. Since we apply this rule, just the inverse, and that's equals to log 20. Okay? So you can now see we can add log 5 to both sides, so that we have that x log 5 is equals to log 20 plus log 25, because 5 squared is 25. Okay? In logarithm, whenever you are adding two logarithms in the same base, you are free to multiply the number. So we have it that x log 5, okay, is equal to log, you can now see that we have it as 20 times 5, 20 times 25. Okay? So that will now be x log 5 is equals to, when you multiply 20 by 25, if you add the 0, you have 250, times 2 is 500. You have it as log 500. Okay? Now we'll divide through by log 5 and divide by log 5. If you divide by log 5, you observe that x is equals to log 500 over log 5. And now see that log 500 can be seen as log 125 times 4, okay, over log 5. Okay, let's split it using the initial rule. You have it to be log 125 plus log 4 divided by log 5. The reason why we split this is that when you are multiplying in logarithm, you are free to add the terms in the same log. So that's what we did. So this is log 125 over log 5, splitting the fraction, plus log 4 over log 5. Okay? 125 can be seen as 5 cubed. So we have it as log 5 cubed over log 5, plus, you can now see that we can use change of base. So this is now log of base 5 or 4. So at the last run, we now multiply the power here. 3 log 5 over log 5 plus log of base 5 or 4. So log 5 can now cancel out. You see finally that x is equals to 3 plus log of base 5 of 4. And that's the answer. Okay? So like and share for more tips like this. Bye.